It's time to roll your own, where SiriusXM's Jam On hands over the controls to our listeners, letting you host a show of all your favorite jams. If you think you can roll a tight show, post a message on our Facebook page at facebook.com/SiriusXMJamOn. This is your chance to be the DJ. So,
hi, I'm Chris Cohen. I live in the Bay Area in California, and today I get to roll my own on SiriusXM's Jam On. It's only appropriate that I kick this off with the band that got it all started for so many of us. For me, it was about 28 years ago that I first heard them on tape. And of course, I'm talking about the Grateful Dead. This is the song that really got me hooked on the band after I caught it at my first ever Dead show at Irvine Meadows Amphitheater in 1987. It's Estimated Profit, and I had never heard it before that show. But what's not to like about this classic Bobby tune about my home state, which also happens to have one of my favorite Jerry solos in the middle of the song, and a fantastic bluesy backdrop for an always deep and explorative jam on the back end. I can vividly remember the day after the show, still singing the chorus to myself all day long and walking into Tower Records and asking the guy at the counter, "Do you have that song called California by the Grateful Dead?" Well, he looked at me and smiled like the rookie I was, and then he hooked me up. For today, we're rolling it back to 1978 for this version of Estimated Profit from Madison, Wisconsin, off Dick's Picks 18. Hope you enjoy it.